Hello again, guys. This is train over 123 #Trains Rock, and we have local 950 or the work train approaching us right as we speak. Wonder what he.
Robert Hawkins over.
Here he comes. One of those tanker cars said hiccup on it. Interesting. Don't you just love train graffiti whenever it literally has been vandalized? Yeah, me too. Either local 950 or the work train going northbound to Jacksonville. This has been with engine 435. This has been train over 123 #Trains Rock. Once again, finally back at Stewart. Signing off, and hope you have a good night, everyone. Peace out.